3 skincare myths that you should be knowing. Now let me tell you directly the skincare myths that it has been going on around. The first myth is that drinking a lot of water will have your skin glowing. Second myth is that oily skin doesn't need any moisturization. Third myth is that if you are not out in the sun, if you are somewhere maybe in the when the sun is almost down, at that time there is no need to apply sunscreen. Now, these are all the skincare myths that has been circulating all over. Hello, I am Dr. Niranjan Samani. Here I'll be talking the facts regarding what exactly is the truth. So watch this video to the very end. I'm very sure this is going to be really helpful. This video is going to be really short, so stay tuned and share this video to every friend of yours. First myth: drinking excess water makes your skin look better. Absolutely wrong. Drinking excess water, anyways, the water will be filtered out of your body through urine. So I'm not telling water is not needed for a very good and healthy skin. It is needed. Adequate amount of water is needed, 3 to 4 liters of water a day, but not excess of water. That can result in other complications like hyponatremia, getting a sodium counts down. That is one thing to be remembered. So remember, excess water doesn't make your skin look better. Just adequate amount of water is needed. That, as I told you, 3 to 4 liters of water. The excess water is then filtered out of your body through urine. Second myth: you don't need to moisturize your skin if it's oily. Now understand the fact that there is a difference between skin oil and skin hydration. Even the oily skin can be dehydrated, so it is really important that you get your skin moisturized even if it is a oily skin. Based on your skin type, even the sunscreen is also predicted, or oil based, gel based, or so many combinations as well. So understand this, even the oily skin can be dehydrated, so moisturization is even important for oily skin as well. Third myth is that you don't have to wear sunscreen if at all it is cloudy. Absolutely wrong. Just because you don't see the sun doesn't mean the UV rays are not present. It can still damage your skin. So even if it is cloudy or sunny, that doesn't matter. A good SPF sunscreen is recommended. I would recommend you a Dermaco brand. That is a really great brand. Or Eclat, you can go for a Skog. There are so many other brands, but personally the Dermaco brand is really great. So even if it is cloudy, make sure that you're wearing your sunscreen. I hope this video was very useful. Now you know the skincare myths that to be not be believed. So in the end, I'm going to tell one thing, that is eat healthy, stay healthy, only positivity, no negativity. Until my new video comes, bye bye DNSians.